Hi, today my son and I will show you a fun yet can be messy activity that you, the parent, can craft together with your toddler as well. After reading the book to my little one, The Hungry Caterpillar, my son and I will craft our very own caterpillar, a colorful caterpillar. So, the needed supplies for this activity will be egg carton, hot glue gun, cincinnati stems, traditionally known as pipe cleaners. You'll also need some paint, paintbrushes, googly eyes, pom-poms, scissors, and of course, for the little one, painting smock. Alright, so I'm going to go get my little one and we'll get to put on his painting smock. Alright, so everything's laid out. I'm going to let him paint. Of course, I'm not going to allow him to be around when I glue each item onto the caterpillar. So I already have everything cut and laid out for me to use. Alright, so I have black for the legs. I took one pipe cleaner, cut it into 3 sections, and folded it into V for the legs. I have my googly eyes, pom-poms to go on the antennas of the caterpillar. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open some paint for him. Alright, ready? Here we go, let's try blue. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna put it. Nice, go ahead, do it yourself. Ooh, look at that, very good. There you go. Alright, so while you're painting blue, I'm gonna paint yellow. I'm gonna paint the end here yellow. Uh-oh, you dropped your paintbrush. There you go. Nice. Oh, you're doing such a great job. Yeah. It's so cute. He dips the paintbrush back in. You know what you're doing, huh? Alright, great. So now that we're finished painting our caterpillar, I'm going to let this dry. For now, I'm going to show you one that was already crafted. So we wanted our caterpillar to be a little colorful instead of just the red head with the green body. But here's our caterpillar. It's a great prop to use the next time you're reading the book, The Hungry Caterpillar. Alright, Tony. So we'll see you later.